In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Asana. Whether you're managing a team project, gathering feedback, or just organizing tasks more efficiently, knowing how to create and use forms in Asana will become an invaluable part of your workflow. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your desired Asana project where you'd like to create a form. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the Customize button. Give it a click. This button is the gateway to adding additional features to your project, making it more dynamic and versatile. Once you've clicked Customize, you'll see a panel open up on your right-hand side. This is where you can find the option to add various custom features, including forms. From this panel, locate and click on Forms. This will lead you to the next step, which is all about building your form. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll notice an Add button. Go ahead and click it. This is your starting point for creating a new form. This part is particularly exciting because it lets you tailor the form to meet your project's specific needs. You can add fields to your form, which are essentially questions or information categories that you want respondents to fill in. The great thing is that these fields can directly relate to elements in your project, allowing seamless integration when tasks or items are added through this form. Once you're satisfied with the structure and content of your form, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button, ensuring that everything is set and ready for submission. Publishing your form makes it live and accessible, so anyone with the link can fill it out and submit their responses. Now that your form is live, you'll want to navigate back to the right panel where you initially started this process. Click on your newly created form again, and you'll see the option to copy its link. This link is what you'll share with others who need to fill out the form. You can distribute it through email, chat, or any communication tool your team uses. Here's a useful tip. Be sure to test the form yourself once it's published. Submit a sample response to see how it works in real time and to ensure everything functions as expected. You'll be able to witness how items are automatically added to your Asana project table upon submission. An effective way to keep your tasks organized and updated effortlessly. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a form in Asana. With this tool in your arsenal, managing projects and collecting responses just got a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more features within Asana to optimize your project management even further.